Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from the Windows 11 computer. So if you are just trying to get rid of it, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Strongly, I would suggest creating a restore point or a backup of your system before proceeding now. But once you are done that, you are ready to accept the risk of that. You just need to search for File Explorer, go to search menu and type File Explorer. Click on open it. On left side select this PC. On right side you just need to double click on the local disk Windows icon over here. You just need to double click on it. And now you just need to double click on the program file x86. And now you just need to double click on the Microsoft. And now you just need to double click on the Edge folder. And now double click on the application, and now you just need to double click on the version number of Edge, double click on it, and now you just need to double click on the installer folder. Now you just need to hold the shift key on your keyboard and right click on the empty window over here and select open in terminal. After opening the terminal folder, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it and paste it in the terminal window over here. And once you paste it and press enter, your Microsoft will be removed and your Microsoft Edge will never open anymore. But you can reinstall it. But I showed in this video how to remove it, guys. I'm not gonna do it, guys. In my case, I want the Microsoft Edge. I love it. That's why I'm not gonna remove it. That's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.